What's up, guys? We are finally here on vacation and it feels amazing. What do you think, buddy? Are you so excited? We are down here in Seaside and it's amazing. It feels so good to finally be back on vacation. I know, those fans, they're so cool. We just got finished with church. We're gonna go grab some food and meet up with everybody in a little bit here. Yeah. Oh, you want to get picked up again? Okay. What are you doing? Are you so excited to be here? Yeah, it's you. Okay, on the way to lunch. We are gonna go eat. Where are we eating again?
Great Southern.
Great Southern. It's a great place. We've been there multiple times over the years. We got reservations in about 10 minutes, so we gotta book it. Thankfully, it is in walking distance. What's up? What you looking at?
I was gonna ask Ashley a question.
I was gonna ask Ashley a question. Yeah, she is the one that knows more about what's happening. So this is really pretty area. By the way, if the camera looks a little different, we left our vlogging camera back at the house like an idiot. I'm so forgetful sometimes, but no, thankfully, our phones are fantastic at photography and videography. So we're gonna be using this for a little bit today. No bike riding through the park though. That is a no-no. A no-no. Oh, hi. Just what's up, Mackenzie?
No.
What's up, Mason? Hanging out with Mackenzie? Mac Attack? What you doing, Beck? A rock in your shoe? Oh my.
I didn't actually see a rock. I felt a little piece of the straw. Oh yeah.
Hi.
So,
So it looks like the restaurant has migrated outside. That's why there's a tent here. Usually it's right here and it's nice and cozy. No, we are eating out amongst the sea air.
perfect. That's right there. Your mom's over there. Yes, sir. If you come straight. What's all wet?
You gonna play out there? Are we looking at that?
Are y'all excited to be here?
So tell me, what's your favorite part of the beach? The beach house is your favorite part? Our room is your favorite part?
And the pool.
The pool? We haven't even seen the pool yet.
And the beach.
And the beach itself. You like the sand? You like the water?
Sandcastles.
The sand castles?
Are you?
He's frozen. He's like, go, you're still going, right?
Guys,
Wow.
or dinner.
We are
At the
here.
beach. Hey, Mom. Finally. Is it breakfast or dinner? All year long. It is time. There's no lunch.
Are you just like so excited?
So excited. It's so hot though. That's okay.
It is nice out here though. It's nice that we're out here. There's a fan right there. I feel like we should turn it a slight bit towards us. What are you excited about today? This week?
We're going to the beach today.
We are?
Who
Who knows?
Somewhere. Some
The,
sort of water.
the day is full of possibilities.
Full of possibilities.
So we'll do whatever we want to. We're gonna make sure that we don't waste time. There's too much time. That too. There's too much time, or it just goes by.
What are you doing with your hand?
I don't know. That's just it. We gotta make the most of our time. Is all I'm trying to say, because there's just not enough of it. What are you doing? Hi. Sitting on mommy. Say what's up, Nay Nay. The Nay Nay.
Is getting married in
6
How many
weeks,
weeks?
7 weeks.
how many weeks?
7 weeks.
7 weeks.
Oh! We are getting ready to enjoy our food. Well, he's sliding down. Where are you going, dude? selfies are going on here. Guys, I am so excited. We are finally on vacation. It feels so good. I'm very happy to eat this food. I'm gonna get me a burger. Ashley, what are you guys getting? You're getting selfies. That's what you're getting. No, it's not a selfie, it's just a video. Play catch-up football. Mason,
Catch-up football.
Ready? Ready? Right back in the head. Try it. Oh, this has 2 points.
Yum yum.
You can have a pick.
Looks good.
Just one because I want Mason or Lincoln wants one. I want to share. Boys, where are we right now? Where are we?
The beach house.
We're in the beach house, but guys, what are we in? We're in an elevator? Oh, I know, Lincoln. All right, here we go, boys. Open that door, Mason. Let's see where we are. Look at that. Oh, crazy. Again, let's go put our stuff down. And then we can go on the 3rd floor and then, no, not there, in your room. Your room's right there at the end. Yes, we have an elevator in our house. Isn't this crazy, boys? Hold on, Dad's gotta be with you if you do it. So, yeah, we got a fancy elevator in this house, mainly because it's like 4 stories high, and we gotta make sure that, okay, we're gonna go up to the 3rd floor. Come on, boys. No, it's already here, that's how you call it. I have Lincoln.
All right, guys, it is pool time. We decided today we're just doing the pool. We'll do the beach the rest of the week. So, y'all ready to go to the pool?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Let's do it. Ready, Beck? Nice walk. Pretty houses. We're in the jungle? Is that the pool? Oh, there's a little playground. No pets allowed. Did you bring your pet?
No.
That was Mason. Oh, you need that? That's Daddy's? You need that. Are you gonna snorkel? Can you pop up? This is the big. You gonna do it? Okay. So it's kind of all around.
Hey, Beckham, jump in. We're gonna read a book? Here, come here. Come here, big boy. Link, come here.
How was the beach?
I'll read you a book. Come here.
That's good.
Come here, bud.
You are. Yeah, you got it all.
Are you gonna read that? Come here. Let's read it. Come here. Come here. He's like, I don't want you to read it. I just want you to hold it. Thank you. Oh, you do? Okay, good. Okay, let's go. All right. Which one? Which one you want to do? This one? Okay, feathered friends. These birds are feathered friends. One day, they were invited.
There you go. Perfect. We will have to show you how to do it.
Answer to a
You don't know any guesses? Can you act it out?
what the birds say? The sparrow says.
Say
On that.
a tree. A tree. No one's.
Is that people lining on it?
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, how did you not get it from that? Come on.
Oh my goodness, what is happening right
This
now?
is called a beautiful bond.
This is
All I've ever wanted.
oh, wait, ah, Lincoln, or back, oh, Lincoln. Oh.
He found mommy, and now he's like, well,
Mommy. There's. This guy turns 5. This guy turns 5 tomorrow. 4 years old right now, about to be 5. What?
That's a good ending. Say thanks so much for watching.
Hey, oh, we leaving?
We're gonna end it here. It's been a long day. It's been a good day. Tomorrow is Mason's birthday, and we're gonna go to the beach and have a good day. Who's excited for tomorrow? It's gonna be a good day. Wow. Say thanks so much for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you can, and all those things. And pray for us because this is only day 1 of vacation and we're already exhausted. Yeah. Bye.